60 kilometers per hour. I've done 167 on the previous bike, and this one I believe is capable of doing more. Unfortunately, the rear suspension is set to a very soft setting, and that's why the bike's losing stability, so we cannot go further. I mean,